Hi, I'm Aditya. We met at the orientation. I am chairman of the IEEE organization of the college. First of all, thank you so much for the overwhelming response that you have shown when we rolled out the Google Forms to join the organization. A lot among you have shown interest to know more about IEEE.
We know you will be missing your college life, so we thought of addressing you from different parts of our own college.
IEEE GCPH is one of the most active organizations in the whole of Kerala section, as well as the largest technical organization of our college. We have conducted around 100 plus events in a single year, which is a rare feat that has not been achieved by any organization in the past.
We are so happy that we could conduct a lot of variety of events which include workshops, webinars, interactive session, contests, and the highlight of all this is that we could conduct most of the collaborative events this year with other organizations of our college.
You have taken the right decision in joining the world's largest technical professional organization, which enables you to network and connect with top industry professionals for a basic membership of just $27.
We have a lot of interest groups within IEEE. We would like to introduce each one of them to you.
Statistically, only 12% of women are engineers, and in this era of change, when more women are stepping onto this field, it's only right to bridge the gap. And Women in Engineering changes the way how female engineers are perceived.
The IEEE Women in Engineering Affinity Group of our college helps us make lifelong friendships, acquire influential mentors, and also make a difference for the benefit of humanity. The scholarships pertaining to being an IEEE member include the Francis B. Hugo Scholarship, the Edith Hannigan McHale Scholarship, the 2U Scholarship, and a numerous number of travel grants, all of which is worth $15,000.
Apart from all these technical events, we are organizing a couple of non-technical events to boost your soft skills. And once you are out of your college, you have to be sound in your management and entrepreneurship skills, for which we will definitely help.
And if you're wondering what price you have to pay to access all of these benefits, then don't. Because being an IEEE member brings we to you free of cost.
Robotics is the fastest growing and widely adapted field in this technological era. Whether you are an electronics or an electrical or a mechanical or an IT engineer, robotics is a field where you can explore and gain skills related to your core area of study. And IEEE Robotics and Automation Society, or what we call RAS, is the world's largest community of robotics enthusiasts.
Events such as RoboSoccer and RoboWar are the face of any technical fest. These events are conducted mostly by RAS chapters there. We too have conducted such events, and one of the highlights is Capture the Castle, which is one of its kind and which is appreciated by the robotics community. IEEE RAS student chapter can ensure peer-to-peer learning to develop your robotics skills, and we can guide you to the robotics world. The best way to develop your skills is to present papers in them. IEEE RAS is the best student paper award, which has a grant of $1,000, which can be very useful in it.
There are thousands of engineering colleges across our country, and almost all these colleges are having an IEEE student branch as well as a RAS chapter. When the world is going virtual, all these SBs are conducting enough number of programs virtually which can be accessible to any people sitting at any places in this world. All these events are structured in such a way that an IEEE RAS member can get it for free or at a very rebated rate compared to a non-IEEE member as well as a regular IEEE member. And even we had conducted enough number of programs including workshops, hackathons, both virtually as well as physically. And now we are announcing an online course on the Eagle software, which is the widely used tool for PCB designing in the industry, all for you, which is free for all IEEE members. And all these benefits are coming just for an additional cost of $5.
What is IEEE CS? IEEE Computer Society, or as we call IEEE CS, is the world's leading professional organization for computing and information technology professionals.
Now, who can join IEEE Computer Society? Any student who is interested in the field of coding, information and technology is welcome to join our society irrespective of their own branches.
So what we did in the past 11 months, IEEE Computer Society alone had more than 33 events, including our digital initiatives such as RAN and RIA, HashInclude, Keynote, and InfoBytes.
Apart from these initiatives, we also conducted many events, some of which I would like to specify right now. Make It Layered is one such unique poster designing competition which received huge appreciation from IEEE's Kerala section. Apart from that, we are a society which believes in peer-to-peer learning and growing together. To promote this, we conducted Coders Clan in 2019 and Pimp It Sol in 2020.
So, what IEEE Computer Society has to offer you? IEEE Computer Society has more than 33 magazines, 900 conference publications, and 3 scholarships exclusively for the student members of IEEECS.
So, as a society, we are providing you a gateway to gain more than $40,000 in the form of scholarship, and all you need to do is take a student membership of just $8.
During this pandemic condition, showed us the importance of wireless communication. The trivial part of wireless communication is an antenna system. All the communication system needs an antenna, be it from the smallest of the mobile phones to the largest of the spacecraft. All consist of an antenna. The Antennas and Propagation Society of GEC Barton Hill presents you an opportunity to explore this field and learn and grow in it. Being 2 years since the society has been started at our college, we've been the most active society of our college and had received the prize of the best chapter for year 2019. To mention a few of the events which were conducted was the All Kerala Antennas and Propagation Society Students Conclave, which consists of scientists from NASA, ISRO, etc. and their distinguished lectures were in the event. We also conducted a series of talks by scientists from NASA, and after that a session with the APS members were also given to them to interact with the scientists and to clear their doubts. The Antenna Propagation Society of GEC Barton Hill also provides the students to do their internship projects and do paper publications at prestigious institutions like IIT BHU. Formerly, 4 of our APS students were sent to IIT BHU to do their final year projects, and their papers were released in IEEE journals, and they had attended many IEEE conferences. If you join this society, you would get these opportunities to do final year projects and paper presentations and internships. All these facilities can be gained by paying an extra $8 in addition to the membership fees. Please come join IEEE APS Society and explore the field of antenna with us.
Ever wondered how the world of RF and microwave works? Ever wondered how your phone is able to transmit that photo within milliseconds to any part of the world so quickly? Ever wondered if you could meet those professionals working at the top of the field of microwave? What if I told you that you could do the same quite easily by joining us in IEEE Microwave Theory and Techniques Society, MTT, IEEE GCBH? I have to admit that it's been just 1 year since we started this society, but within that short span of time, we as a society were able to conduct 20 plus events, and all those events were of international standard. Speakers like Rashaunda Henderson, Dallas University, Shiban Kaul, IIT Delhi, and many more speakers, scientists from institutes like NASA, ISRO, collaborated with us and conducted talks, webinars, and the biggest plus point of all this is that all the students actually got to interact personally with them, especially the students of IEEE MTTS. These students actually got the opportunity to establish a connection with not just them but their institutes too. By doing so, they were able to work on various scientific papers, work on projects. Take my case for instance. I am currently doing my project in avionics, and I have associated myself with Air India. Come and explore this vast field of Microwave Theory and Techniques Society with us. Join our family now.
This is the most important part of this segment. Now, I would like to introduce you to the future face of IEEE GCBH. Meet Gautam. He is the Vice Chair of the organization who will be leading all the activities from the front the next year.
So hi all. As you have seen throughout this segment, we have done a numerous range of events, that too in a wide variety. But another important thing to note is that we have done all this amidst this pandemic. The pandemic has not disabled us in any way. In turn, it has enabled us to explore more possibilities, and I guarantee you that I have charted out a solid plan for the next year.
So don't wait, join IEEE today and become part of our family.